Hello and welcome to the Raymond Can Do It channel. Today I just wanted to talk about this Coredy robot vacuum cleaner that I have that is beeping 4 times and having a solid red light. I've done some research, and this is also very similar for Eufy robot vacuums and maybe some other robot vacuums. First thing I do is look at the back, and then you can see the off button, so I'll turn it off. And then if you look really close, sometimes they'll have directions. This one says 4 beeps, indicator solid red is the robot's main rolling brush cannot turn. So looking at the rolling brush, you just pop this tab out, and then, yes, we have a dog, so we have a lot of dog hair here. You can just pop out the roller, grab some scissors, and then just kind of cut through the hair like you would a regular vacuum cleaner. So you can try this and then place this roller back in. The roller has 2 sides. One's like a square notch, one's a circle. So the square notch will line up to one side, and then you slide it in, and then you place the circular side in. You can try this to see if it works. I've also seen some people mention that it will still beep, and that the inside of these ends need to also be cleaned. So you just take a pair of pliers, and you can grab it and then pull it off. So when you pull it off, it comes with a little circular piece, the roller, or I guess the washer, and then you can kind of clean the ends off. So I can put this back in. And then you can see here that this also could get gunked up with hair. You don't have to do it on the other side because this side does not move. The motor actually moves inside. This part should spin freely, this wheel. If that doesn't work, I've also seen people dismantle the whole robot vacuum. I did it on mine. It was about maybe 30 or 40 different little screws, thinking that the motor inside has hair, but I didn't really find that to be the case. So this Coredy R3500, we bought this in 2021, so it's about 3 years old. So I figured I would at least try and replace the battery. Feel free to click the link below. My channel gets a couple of pennies, and it's no additional cost to you. So make sure you get the battery correct with your brand and model. To replace the battery, on this one, there are 2 screws. Once you remove those screws, then the battery sits right here, and you just unplug it. Once you unplug it, this is the new battery that we got here. And it looks very similar. So then you just plug it back in. And then put the cover plate back on. So replacing the battery is what fixed my issue. Hopefully you thought this video was helpful. If you did, please click the like button. Subscribe to my channel for any DIYs, how-tos, and product reviews. My name is Raymond. If I can do it, you can too.